Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you are all fit and fine. I'm also good. So today I am working, and at the same time I am eating plum. As you can see, I'm eating plum. I'm eating plum, and I'm working alone at the root. And today I was going to coaching centers, and right now I am. I have finished my coaching center, and I am working in the root alliance, and I hope my English will be better, because I better than behind in the because I practice every single day. I don't care when people another people what say about me. It don't matter for me. I'm just think alone, and I am eating. Right now I'm eating. Right now I'm eating, and eating plum. You can see, and I think that English not hard for everybody. Just you keep practice every day, and you think in English. That's why English very catch up with you. And first of all, you set your goals. What will you do? And you have to practice every day. You should practice every day, I think. And I do practice every day. Doesn't doesn't stop. So don't stop every day. And I listen many podcasts, many blogs on YouTube. I think that I will be fluently speaking English one day, and that's why I practice every single day, and I am don't think anything. I think it in English, and I speak in English. So many people say, "Hey, Shatto, you can speak English." I say yes, I can speak English, because English not hard. English easy. You practice every day. You think English easy. That's English really easy, and you practice every day, and you know little bit grammatical topic. Yeah, that's it, bro. English no hard. So I am working. See you soon next video. Peace.